Hello, welcome to an intermediate video of a side project I've been working on. What you see here is a turbine that went in this unit here at work, and this unit was knocked over and the turbine shattered, so they threw the unit out. And it's an air conditioner, a $1,000 server air conditioner and dehumidifier. Very nice machine, and so I took it home. And in there was the old turbine, which had shattered here. All the blades and fins came off. All these things came off and were all over the place. And this collar went right here. And so I took it home, studied this, and printed and modeled a new turbine, which you can see here. I modeled it in Blender. This is the turbine, right here. Okay, I made the fins different. Originally I had a version which was an almost exact copy, and I decided not to go with that because the fins are very fine. So I went with bigger fins that should be sturdier, and I've added rings around to support. I printed off a rough copy here to see if I got my measurements correct, and I did. The measurements were actually really quite good. This print didn't work very well, which is why it's the rough print. And this collar fits in here quite nicely, as you can see. So what we're doing now is printing it off with a high quality print, and it's going fairly well. And what we're going to do is, after this prints, which will be sometime tonight, I'll record tomorrow a test. We'll do a test to see how this print worked, and then we'll give it a trial in the air conditioner and see if it works in the air conditioner. That should be a fun little trial. And the reason I'm doing this is because they don't really make this turbine. They don't make these turbines for sale. So I'm having to make my own, which is a fun project anyways. I'm enjoying it a lot. It's been a real nice challenge, and it works really well. It's a perfect fit. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll do this together, and then we'll get back into doing things for the synthesizer. Anyways, I thought those of you out there who like 3D printing might find this to be a fascinating side project. And then after this, we're going to print panels, replacement panels for this, because I don't like this chicken scratch that I've done here. So we're going to print a very nice 3D low relief panel with the font all tactile and low relief, and then probably print our own knobs as well. Just thought that'd be a fun project for the synth, seeing as this is actually coming along really well. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Please thumb up if you like. Take care. And welcome to the next stage of the turbine video. I wanted to share with you the final print that I like and we're going to go with for this unit here. It's going to go in there where that rod is, over that motor, and this is the old one that's shattered. And this is my replacement that I made on the 3D printer, the Creality Sierra 10. It turned out quite well. It was a quick print, and it only took 13 hours. It's quite large, 8 inches. And I used a large nozzle setting, 0.3 millimeter, and black filament just because it matches. And I thought it would look good. I've mounted the metal part And it fit perfectly. That was a perfect fit. So next I'm going to install it and turn it on. I did a quick test outside with a drill. I mounted this onto my drill and spun it, and it worked okay. There was a bit of wobbling, and I'm not sure if that was my drill or what. And I'm going to file that off, that little blob of bonding stuff, epoxy. And I used an epoxy, not a motive epoxy, so it should be as hard as steel soon. But anyways, thought I would share this with you. And I'm quite pleased with it. 13 hours of printing. Anyways, I will load up the next video, or I'll cut and cut back soon once this is installed in here. Once it's installed in here, then we'll go and turn it on. There it is down inside the machine. The machine is put back together, and we're going to plug it in. And the minute I plug it in, all the turbines will start. I believe, if I remember correctly, they just automatically turn on and sit in, sort of run at a low pace. And then we will see when I actually turn it on and put it on air condition and see if that shatters. Now the first one shattered when it fell over. We'll see if this one shatters when I turn it on. This is going to be a high speed fan. These motors are very powerful, and it'll be a very high speed fan. So I'm going to plug it in and we'll find out. Ready? Ah, it's on. Wow, and it works really well. Now let's turn it on to, now it's on cooling. And it's on low. Turn on to cooling. Medium. Low. Auto. Now it's on high. That's the high speed. I'm going to get a light and see how it looks. Hang on. So this is another camera. My phone died. But there it is in there working very well. Wow, is it ever working. Working so nice. Wish I could show you. Here, let's turn it off. It wobbles a little bit, but it doesn't seem to bother the machine at all. There, it's slowing down. And it cooled the room down already. The whole room got quite cool, which is something. So there it is, folks. A little bit of time and effort, and about $25 in materials, and I got a $1,000 air conditioner for free, well, for $25, plus electricity and time. 13-hour print, and that is the benefit of a 3D printer. That is really a benefit. Over here is the other blade that works still and never shattered, and it's similar to the one that broke down there. And this one is my replacement, which works really well. Thank you for watching. Take care.